Every sensible long-haul trucker ran an inline-six. Caterpillar built something else entirely. 18 litres of turbocharged V8, over 1,000 cubic inches of yellow iron. The 3408 was the biggest on-highway diesel Cat ever dropped into a truck. Rare, thirsty, brutally expensive. Yet one logged 1.8 million miles and put down nearly 700 horsepower on a chassis dyno. This is the monster diesel, and nothing about it was ever supposed to make sense. In the mid-1970s, fleet operators calculated operating costs down to the single penny. The transport industry demanded lightweight, fuel-sipping inline-sixes designed to slip quietly into standard tractor frames. Then came Caterpillar's V8. It was a massive block of cast iron that defied fleet logic, demanding longer frame rails, reinforced front axles, and a relentless supply of fuel. To corporate bean counters, this engine was an expensive liability. To the drivers who commanded it, the V8 was a statement of pure highway dominance. This was a high horsepower rebellion against the sensible norm. Why did an engine so heavy, so thirsty, and so flagrantly impractical escape the scrap heap of history to become the ultimate legend of the open road? The answer lies inside the iron itself. At the heart of this machine is an 18-litre block, sweeping 1,098 cubic inches of displacement. This is a massive, turbocharged, water-cooled V8, constructed entirely from heavy cast iron, built to absorb extreme combustion pressures. While the dominant over-the-road trucks of the era ran sensible inline-sixes, displacing around 14 litres, Caterpillar went big. The architecture is defined by a 65-degree V-block, engineered for tight packaging and immense structural rigidity. Inside the cylinders are replaceable wet cylinder liners, a rebuild-friendly service feature that allows mechanics to pull and replace worn sleeves without machining the block itself. On the highway, this colossal displacement translated into a power band ranging from roughly 425 to 550 horsepower. This was never meant to be a fuel-conscious compromise or a sensible middle ground for daily freight hauling. Instead, this V8 offered brute force displacement and an overbuilt frame, designed for operators who demanded absolute dominance on the steepest mountain passes. This powerhouse did not emerge in isolation. The 3408 was engineered as the high-output V8 member of Caterpillar's legendary 3400 engine series, a family built to dominate the heavy-duty industrial world. At its core sat the sensible sibling, the famous 3406 inline-six, which became the default choice for everyday highway freight. At the far end of the family tree sat the massive 3412, a V12 Extreme designed for heavy mining and marine applications. The 3408 was Caterpillar's way of reimagining the 3406's proven durability into a shorter package with more cylinders, greater power, and brutal torque. This compact length was essential for constrained, heavy-duty installations where a long inline-six simply could not fit. Yet, despite its shorter shape, the V8 shared the exact same rugged Cat DNA as its siblings, carrying over the rebuildable wet liners and the robust gear-driven water pump philosophy that made the 3400 series famous for pure mechanical survival. Survival on the road, however, was dictated by the ledger. In the unforgiving world of freight hauling, the 3408 faced an uphill battle against basic economics, starting with its sheer mass. Depending on the configuration, this cast iron giant weighed well over 3,300 pounds, with some setups pushing closer to 3,700 pounds. Every extra pound of engine was a pound of cargo fleet operators could not legally carry, punishing payload capacity and raising running costs. Then came the fuel stops. The V8's heavy fuel burn was an operational reality that corporate accountants simply could not justify. Meanwhile, its inline-six sibling, the lighter and thriftier 3406, proved it could make similar power for far less operating cost. In the direct fight for the same highway jobs, the sensible six almost always won. Yet, this expensive, over-the-top nature is exactly what made the V8 legendary. The 3408 became a cult icon precisely because it refused to compromise. While the highway lanes rejected the V8's sheer scale, the dirt and the open sea welcomed it. Away from the strict limits of asphalt, the 3408 became the absolute ruler of heavy industrial work. Caterpillar dropped this 18-litre beast into their legendary D8 and D9 track-type tractors, turning massive earth movers into unstoppable forces. It powered giant wheel loaders, heavy off-highway mining trucks, and scrapers, proving that when the job required tearing through solid rock, raw displacement was the only currency that mattered. On the water, the V8 transformed. In the engine rooms of hard-working tugboats, trawlers, and high-speed crew boats, even inside luxury yachts, the 3408 became a maritime legend. Here, marine versions were turned up past 800 and even 900 horsepower, shrieking with twin turbocharged force. But its dominion did not end at the shoreline. The V8 went to work as a continuous duty. Prime mover for oil-field drilling rigs, critical generator sets, and massive airport snowblowers fighting winter blizzards. This single, cast-iron engine became the multi-sector powerhouse of choice, proving that the very scale that made it too big for the highway made it perfect for the heaviest jobs on Earth. The true validation of this V8 giant does not come from corporate sales brochures, but from decades of highway abuse. Fleet owners expected basic survival, but the 3408 redefined heavy-duty longevity, earning a legendary reputation as a 20,000-hour workhorse built to clear 1 million miles. The definitive proof lives in a 1980 Peterbilt glider kit truck that logged an astonishing 1.8 million miles on the highway. Strapped to a heavy-duty chassis dyno for a definitive test of its mechanical health, this high-mileage road warrior converted folklore into measurable reality. With only modest fuel pump tweaks, upgraded injectors, and a single performance turbocharger, the massive 18-litre block delivered a screaming run that generated close to 700 horsepower at the crank. This raw horsepower, combined with the engine's brutally big torque, explains exactly why diesel purists still revere this yellow iron. It stands as absolute, unyielding proof of an era when raw displacement ruled the open road, cementing the 3408 as the ultimate monument to diesel power. In a world of smaller, plastic-shrouded engines, this iron giant remains a masterpiece of raw mechanical excess. By 1985, Caterpillar faced a changing transport economy. The 3408's highway run was winding down as rising fuel costs and tightening EPA emissions regulations made the massive V8 an expensive choice for hauling standard freight. Caterpillar already offered the ideal alternative in its lineup, the inline-six 3406. It was lighter, thriftier on fuel, and easily produced the horsepower that freight carriers required. There was no business case for keeping both engines in the same on-road role. Caterpillar chose the practical 6 as its highway standard, closing the V8's chapter on the open road. The exit from the highway was not the end of this engine's working life. Instead of fading, the V8 transitioned into a legendary survivalist. Caterpillar chose to keep this heavy-duty legacy alive, and to this day, the global Cat parts network continues to supply OEM cylinder liners, pistons, and overhaul kits for the 18-litre platform. Decades after the last truck unit left the assembly line, active 3408 engines still work around the clock in hard-working tugboats, remote backup generators, and industrial mining pits. For operators who demand absolute unyielding iron, it was simply too tough to die. The 3408 remains Caterpillar's largest on-highway diesel engine ever built, serving as a lasting, physical monument to a golden era when raw displacement ruled supreme and excess was glorious. Today, as whisper-quiet efficiency rules the road, this yellow iron giant remains a monument to raw, uncompromised power. We will never see its like again. The 3408 proved that sometimes glorious excess is exactly what makes a machine immortal. Tell us your favorite cat story in the comments.